Here's how to offset B-Splines in Ondsel. This existing sketch has a B-Spline inside. It's a closed loop. Drag this box, hold left mouse button. Then press Ctrl+C and exit the sketch. First extrude this sketch with a pad. Then show the planes by pressing spacebar. And create a sketch on the XY plane. Hide the planes, press spacebar. Now press Ctrl+V to paste the sketch. Make this dimension 5 mm smaller, 110 to 105. And make these ones 10 mm smaller. These dimensions cover the total width. Make this one 5 mm smaller, 175 to 170. Now there is an equal offset of 5 mm all around. Exit the sketch. Consider subscribing if you like my content, thanks. Create a pocket to cut out the offset. Enter a distance and click OK. This is a way to cut out more difficult shapes. There's more, so please keep watching. Also check out my other channel for all my 3D printing projects and tutorials. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thanks for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.